device and is being run in conjunction with a routine weekly test of the emergency alert system. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, these alerts
Nope, not today. Darn it.
To repeat, this has been a test of NOAA radio's warning device. This is only a test. We now return to our normal programming. To repeat, this has been a test of NOAA radio's warning device. This is only a test. We now return to our normal program.
Really? Stupid antenna. There we go.
This is only a test. We now return to our normal programming.
So he didn't pay rent for 2 months, and he didn't pay the whole balance that's remaining from the buyout.
10 miles an hour. Tonight, mostly cloudy with a chance of rain showers. Lows of 36 to 44. Southeast winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Thursday, mostly cloudy in the morning then clearing. Highs around 56. Northwest winds up to 15 miles an hour.
And there's a bag in the way.
Thursday night, mostly clear. Lows of 32 to 40. North winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. New Year's Day, mostly sunny in the morning then becoming mostly cloudy. Highs around 54.
I need to replace this antenna.
Miles an hour shifting to the southeast in the afternoon. The forecast for the east foothills of the northern Sacramento Valley, including Paradise today. Mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy. Highs.
Fooey this antenna. And then as you can see, everybody pretty much activated today. Get this thing out of here. Sucks I couldn't get channel 1, but it's whatever. But there you have it. The last required weekly test on NOAA weather radio for the year 2020.